Want to boost your commissions and sharpen your skills? Crop West Insurance delivers with hands-on training, personalized marketing plans, and top-tier educational retreats. It's everything you need to grow your agency and your confidence. No stress, just results. Crop West Insurance, your secret weapon in the crop insurance game. To find out more, please visit cropwestinsurance.com. Crop West Insurance Incorporated is an equal opportunity provider and employer. Hey there, and welcome to the Crop Insurance Podcast. I'm your host, Mike Rydell, a third-generation crop insurance agent, and I'm here to help you navigate the ins and outs of crop insurance. It's what my family's been doing for generations, so you're in good hands. Our goal here is simple, to educate our listeners. Crop insurance can be complex and overwhelming, but I believe that understanding it is crucial for every farmer. So whether you're a seasoned farmer looking to stay updated or a newcomer seeking guidance, this podcast is for you. Today's episode is a biggie. We're going to be diving into the crossroads of technology and crop insurance. We're talking about precision agriculture and insurance synergy, how fancy new tools on the farm can make insurance reporting easier, improve your APH accuracy, and even reduce disputes when claims roll in. It's a little bit techy, but don't worry, we'll keep it fun, relatable, and jargon-free. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get into it. So let's set the stage. Precision agriculture sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But really, it's just about using tools to farm smarter. Think GPS-guided tractors, yield monitors, drones, and even satellite imagery. It's all about dialing in your accuracy so you can manage inputs, maximize yields, and, most relevant to us today, track your production like a pro. And here's the kicker. Precision ag tools aren't just cool gadgets. They're crop insurance game changers. For instance, those yield monitors, they can provide ultra-accurate production data that fits neatly into your APH records. So say goodbye to digging through those stacks of paper receipts and handwritten field notes when it's time for production reporting and in case you get any audits. Precision ag tools like yield monitors can help ease the burden when it comes to paperwork time. So speaking of reporting, let's talk about it a little bit. If you've ever felt like crop insurance paperwork is some form of medieval punishment, Precision Ag can be your savior. Many of these tools can sync with software to generate automated reports. And this helps your crop insurance agent because they're detailed, clear, and aligned with your crop insurance policy. The USDA even supports initiatives like the Acreage Crop Reporting Streamlining Initiative, or ACRC, which makes reporting even more straightforward. For more information on the ACRC program, please listen to one of our previous podcast episodes. Now, as a result of the Precision Ag tools in your crop insurance policy and the ACRC program, you no longer have to report your acres twice. Instead of sending it to FSA and your crop insurance agent, you can do it all in one place in an automated format, and you can ensure it's accurate by using your Precision Ag tools. That's a win for both your time and your sanity. By using your Precision Ag tools and ensuring that your production information is accurate, this is a big one for your approved production history or your APH. The Precision Ag tools can elevate your APH game. If your records are more accurate, your APH reflects your true production capacity. That means better coverage for you. Now let's say that you're using a yield monitor on your combine. These handy devices track exactly what comes off your field down to the bushel. That data becomes concrete proof of your production practices and yields. Not only does this bolster your APH, but it can serve as a backup during an audit. No more sweating bullets over handwritten notes or missing settlement sheets. Plus, these tools can help address inconsistencies. You no longer are going to have to blend your production over all of your fields because now you know it down to each field or CLU when reporting your production information. This will help with your optional unit structure and accurately tracking your production history down to the field instead of blending it over a big area. This is crucial for leveraging the crop insurance policy the way it was intended to accurately reflect your production history. All right, so let's talk about claims. We know that disputes can happen. Maybe there's a disagreement about your yield or questions about how these losses were adjusted. But here's where precision agriculture really shines. Your data is your best defense. With tools like yield monitors on combines, you're collecting verifiable production records in real time. These records include exact bushels harvested from each field, tied to specific dates and locations. When it comes time to file a claim, that level of detail is invaluable for proving your production and ensuring your claim is processed smoothly. Now, when it comes to yield monitors, there's one key rule you need to follow, and that is calibration. Yield monitors must be properly calibrated for their data to be considered valid. That means calibrating your combine at the start of harvest and recalibrating throughout harvest season as you switch crops, encounter moisture changes, or make adjustments to the combine. The USDA and insurance providers require these steps to ensure accuracy in the data used to support your claims. Each combine manufacturer will have their specific calibration methods, and you'll want to consult with that dealer. But in short, by staying on top of calibration, you're not only just collecting data, you're collecting data that holds up under scrutiny. Precision Ag tools give you that peace of mind that when questions arise, you'll have the answers backed by reliable numbers. So we've talked about how Precision Ag tools can streamline your reporting, improve your APH, and simplify claims. But here's the thing. None of it matters if you don't understand the rules and regulations behind using these tools for crop insurance. This is where your crop insurance agent comes in. It's critical to have someone who understands the ins and outs of Precision Ag data, what's required, what's acceptable, and how to make sure it aligns with your policy. For example, they should know the guidelines around yield monitor calibration or how to handle data discrepancies when reporting production. If you're unsure whether your agent is on top of this, it's okay to ask questions. If you don't feel like you're getting the answers you need, well, you know where to find me. The bottom line is, Precision Ag is a powerful tool, but to use it effectively in your crop insurance strategy, you need to have the right team guiding you. Don't hesitate to reach out and make sure you're set up for success. Alrighty, folks, we've covered a lot today. How Precision Ag tools can streamline reporting, improve your APH accuracy, and cut disputes in claims. The future of farming isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. If you've got questions or you want to share how you've used tech on your farm, drop us a line at cropinsurancepodcast.com. And hey, if you've enjoyed this episode, hit that subscribe button and leave us a review. Be sure to share with your friends and family as well. Before we wrap up, I do have some exciting news. In an upcoming episode, we're bringing in a special guest, a Precision Ag expert from one of the approved insurance providers. They will share insider tips on how Precision Ag tools are being integrated into crop insurance programs and answer some of the most common questions about using this tech to simplify your reporting and maximize your coverage. Trust me, this is one episode you're not going to want to miss. So make sure you subscribed and stay tuned for what's coming next on the Crop Insurance Podcast. Until next time, keep farming smarter, not harder. From my family to yours, thank you for joining me today. Explore more at cropinsurancepodcast.com, where you'll find episodes, articles, and tools to help you make the most of your coverage. Be sure to subscribe and share with your friends and neighbors. Remember, this info is just a guide. For specific rules, please refer to the Crop Insurance Handbook and your appropriate crop provisions. This institution is an equal opportunity provider and employer.